I'm going to show you that you can easily improve the audio on your video productions by using Audacity. The easiest way to improve your audio file is to remove noise. When you record, you will probably not notice various background noises that occur during recording. You will probably hear in the background things like computer noise, faint music, or a dog barking. There could be a faint sound of conversation coming from another room in your house. Most of these can be removed quickly using the noise reduction plugin that comes with Audacity. To use this plugin, you will need to select a part of your audio file that is just background. It can be quite a short section of your file. Audacity uses this as a reference in order to remove unwanted sound. Once you have created the reference, you run the noise removal again, and it will remove most or all of the noise.
The program we are looking at now is called Audacity, and once you start it, it looks like this. We can close this bit here because it's not very useful. Okay. This is a test file that I've uploaded, and I'll play it for you so that you can hear what it sounds like. I'm going to record some sound now to try and give you a file that has got some noise in it, and I'll leave some gaps in it too, so you can hear some of the noises that are going on around me at the moment. There's cars driving past, a slight clatter of dishes, plus the hum of the computer. Now I'm going to add some noise reduction to this to see if we can get rid of some of the noise you could hear before. And we use a part of the menu called Effect here. And in order to use it first, we need to select an area where you can hear the noise and not the voice of the person speaking. And it's a good idea to allow some space in your file in order to do that. So I've highlighted this piece here, and then I go to Effect and Noise Removal and Repair, and down to Noise Reduction. And when we click on Noise Reduction, the thing at the top of this menu here is Get Noise Profile, which is what we have to do first, so Audacity knows what noise to get rid of. So now we've got that, we can go to select the whole thing by clicking down here, and then we go back to Effect, and then we can repeat Noise Reduction. And you should see from that that it sounds a lot cleaner than it was before. I'll play it to you now. I'm going to record some sound now to try and give you a file that has got some noise in it, and I'll leave some gaps in it too, so you can hear some of the noises that are going on around me at the moment. There's cars driving past, a slight clatter of dishes, plus the hum of the computer. Now I'm going to add some sound normalization because we've lost a bit of volume from that. So we're going to go to Effect and go down to Volume and Compression and Loudness Normalization. So I'm going to run that, apply, and you can see visually that the sound has got a little bit louder. So I'll play that to you so you can hear the difference. I'm going to record some sound now to try and give you a file that has got some noise in it, and I'll leave some gaps in it too, so you can hear some of the noises that are going on around me at the moment. There's cars driving past, a slight clatter of dishes, plus the hum of the computer. Now I'm going to create a file that has a lot more sibilance in it using this file we've just been looking at. And once I've done that, I will show you how to get rid of the strong S sounds that come from a very sibilant file. You can now hear from this file that the S's are a little bit hissy. I'm going to record some sound now to try and give you a file that has got some noise in it, and I'll leave some gaps in it too. So what I'm going to do now is to run it through the Esser, which is in the Effects menu. So you go to Effect, where it says NA here, it's, for some reason, I don't know why it's done that, but the Esser still works. So if we click on Esser and Apply, and then if we now listen to the sound, we can hear that the S's are much softer. I'm going to record some sound now to try and give you a file that has got some noise in it, and I'll leave some gaps in it too.